This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Once again, big thanks. Skillshare is an online platform where you can learn, well, basically everything. But as we all are interested in drawing, I will show you some online courses on Skillshare which are great. If you want to learn how to draw the human body, you can check out the artist called Sensei. He is showing you how to draw the body structure and how to keep the proportions on point. If you want to learn how to draw your characters in more dynamic poses, you can check out Patrick Brown. His videos are really helpful. But you can also search for every subject you are interested in. If you want to learn how to edit videos because you want to become a YouTuber as well, Skillshare is the right place for you. And that's not all. You can also search for online courses about music, movies, and more. With a yearly subscription of less than $10 a month, you will have full access to every online course on Skillshare. And the first 1,000 people to use the link in my info box will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership. That's a great offer, so if you want to join the Skillshare community, check out the link below, guys. Yo guys, this is the artist Tolg and welcome to a new epic drawing video. Today I'm not alone. I am with DaffDuff Art and this is our second collaboration. He is a digital artist and as you can see his work is dope. Around 1 year ago, we did this amazing drawing together and because it turned out so great, I had to work with him again. We decided to draw another epic fight scene from Dragonball Super, Vegito SSj Blue vs Merged Zamasu. I will draw the sketch right now and DaffDuff Art will color it digitally. Make sure to like the video guys and then we can start. Let's go. Alright guys, line work done and I think it looks very good. And look at the feet guys, that's accuracy. I really used all the space which I had. And I tried to leave a lot of space at the top so DaffDuff Art had enough room to draw the epic aura. Okay guys, I think I did my part pretty well and now let's see how Vegito and Zamasu will look with colors. Let's go. Tried so blind I cannot see the play. Boom! There you have it guys, the final result. That's why I wanted to work with this guy. Again, as you can see, it looks amazing, so vibrant and dynamic. I love it. You saw the process, so coloring this piece is really not easy. But again, the result is fantastic guys. What do you think? DaffDuffArt and I will read all the comments, so let us know what you think about this drawing below. Make sure to smash the like button guys. I want this video to reach at least 1000 likes. That would be amazing, and that way you will show us how much you appreciate our hard work. And you have to check out DaffDuffArt on Instagram. He is not a YouTuber, but for this collaboration he recorded his part. He is also doing commissions, so go check him out guys. First link below. And if you are new on my channel, make sure to subscribe here as well. More epic drawing videos like this will come weekly. That's it guys, thank you for watching and I see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.